Now let me share something about myself. I started my online training business here in Manhattan, a very competitive city, back in 1991. I literally rented a desk of an attorney and then built my business up step by step by step. I went totally full-time online in 2008, but I've been in the trenches since 1995. Again, I want to help you to work smart, one step at a time. My whole battle cry for the past 23 years is working smart. Now, unfortunately, most people don't work smart. They're too busy chasing shiny objects, get-rich-quick schemes, or I'm going to turn my computer to a cash register. Here's the real problem with email marketing. Email marketing is used and abused by all the spam clowns out there that are going to get you into their sales funnel and continuing to spam you day after day after day. So if you want to work smart and build a brand, here's rule number one to successful online business. Stop selling. So I'm about to walk into my studio. Let me share with you on my computer how I work smart one step at a time, and there's tools that I can share with you.
Robert Farrell here. Hey, many of you are frustrated and not earning online the right way because you're too busy chasing shiny objects, signing up for 90-minute wasted time webinars that want to charge you $997 and basically provide training, but they're not actually making money from what they're teaching you. They're making money from selling you a course. Well, guess what? I've been in the online training business for 25 years. My training is 100% free, no strings attached. Now, in addition to that, go to my website, Niche Builders Club, and you can request a discount coupon for a complete turnkey system. You can also watch more free videos. Now, what you'll get with this turnkey system, I have over 50 domain names, keyword-rich domain names, that you can use for your niche marketing store. So I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So these are some of the keyword-rich domain names that you can use. So as an example, you could be yourbrand.dealsOnline.Store or jeffrey.mensonline.store, etc., etc. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So all I ask you is to go check out my niche building store, nichebuilders.club. I'm here to help you, share with you my knowledge, 25 years of being in the trenches. Thanks again for being here. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.